So let's say the person is going to buy this hard drive, 1 TB Toshiba, and I'm supposed to fix it in here because the space is in here. This is the connector. When I fix it, let's say I fix the connector like this and I put it in, it's going to shake. There's no protector covering it. It's going to shake because the case is supposed to have the drive is supposed to have a case, but you don't have the case. And then you want to buy the drive, they're not going to give you a case or a holder to hold the body of the laptop. No. So as a technician, what am I supposed to do? Some people can do it like this and put a solid tape like this. It's not a good idea. Some people could put another solid tape like this. It's not a good idea. Hold on, let me show you something. Let me just show you something. This is what most people do. They put a tape here and they put a tape here and they hold it like that. No, it's not good. Some people come and they put a tape here and they put a tape here. Now it's not good. It's not like this, but they're going to cut it to make it fine, but it's still not good. The tape can't hold it like that. It's not good, because when the tape holds it like that, let's say I hold it like this, very firm like that, and I'm shaking the laptop or I'm moving from my bed to my table, it's still, the drive is still going to shake. You understand? Even though if I hold here, it's still going to shake. This is solid tape, like an absorb, it's still going to shake. It's not a good idea. So what I do now, what I try to tell people to do, and what I do is that there's no need to take a solid tape and do it. No, there's no need. I have these guys here. I have this, one of my best guys here. These are my best guys. I like them and they are very cool. If you want to know where I got this, it's very simple. I'm going to do a tutorial on this, but it's so simple. So I got these guys, and what I'm going to do is that I'm going to remove this like this. But first of all, let's not forget, I'm trying to make sure that the computer is working, so let's focus on that. So let's say now I'm trying to upgrade the hard drive of this machine. Now let's see how I'm going to do it. So in this case, when I fix it, I can give it to the person and then we're going to use the cover to protect it. It's not a good idea to me. I can also take a solid tape and put it like this and tell the person I'm done, and then we cover it. It's not a good idea. It's a shoddy work. I don't do shoddy work. So I'm going to take it off. No solid tape, all right? No solid tape. I remove the drive. And then I have this guy. This is very important to me. I'm going to use this spark glue. Mr. Bond spark glue is very good. This is very good. I'm going to put a little bit on it like that. That's it. Now go here. Go here. Focus here. I'm going to the same three ones. Like that. Now go here. Like that. Yes. And then take the black so you can see the issue it. And if I'm to the right, measure it. If you can hold it. And you see you can hold it. But I'm somewhere. And you know them. So like that. Then go here. Hey, I can come out. Yeah, right. Because you're going to try. That's it. Hold it. That's it. That's it. Right. That's it. So now it's not absorb it. It's not on the side, right? Last time we did half this here. That I'm going to put here. Cool. So the other thing we're going to do is and this is supposed to have this again. From the has the chair on this. It's going to go here. But not here. It's coming here. Don't go to here. Yeah. No, that's it. That's it. I press it and go back. So now I'm going to try with this. Okay. And then we push here. But I push here. I push here. Like that. That's it. And we push here. See? This is what I need. If I think this is about this way, I need to move it. And move this one. This one easier. Like this, right? Good. That's it. Good. That's it. See? It doesn't shake. It doesn't move. Here is protected. Here is protected. And the back cover too will cover here. It has a foamy thing on the back cover. It was going to cover here, and that's it. Here you go. I'm shaking it. You can see here. It doesn't do anything, so it's protected. So I have been able to on the machine and upgrade it. Now I'm going to fix the battery, and I believe when I do fix the battery, it has to work because